Welcome to the BSc Statistics students. In this lesson, I discuss a problem of moments. You see the problem here. First four moments of a distribution about the value 5 of the variable are 2, 20, 40 and 50. Then calculate mean, variance, beta 1 and beta 2. So you have to calculate mean, variance, beta 1 and beta 2. For which what I do? So the given values, first of all, about the value 5, moments about the value 5, which means non-central moments, that is, I am writing given that solution of this problem, given that A is equivalent to B, arbitrary point A is equal to 5. Do you understand, first of all? And then for about A is equal to 5, the value, the moments are given, first four moments are given, which means mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, which are also given the non-central moments, mu1 dash is equal to 2, mu2 dash is equal to 20, mu3 dash is equal to 40 and mu4 dash is equal to 50. This is what again given. Now, so you have to calculate mean. I am starting the calculation of mean. Mean is going to be calculated directly. You know the formula, x bar is equal to mu1 dash plus A. X bar is equal to mu1 dash plus A. What is mu1 dash? 2. What is A? It is 5. Hence is equivalent to be 7. That is the first calculation. Mean it is going to be calculated. It is x bar is equal to 7 with the formula mu1 dash plus A. Now, you see, then what you have to calculate? You have to calculate variance, which means we are calculating central moments. Hope you understand central moments and non-central moments. We have one such relation. Central moments in terms of non-central moments. Use the relations, you will get it. So, I am using the relation. Of course, the variance is a second central moment. Variance is equal to mu2. It is going to be calculated by mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So, mu2 dash is equal to, what is the value of mu2 dash? It is 20. 20 minus, what is mu1 dash? mu1 dash is 2. 2 square. So, hence it is 4. 20 minus 4, 16. So, the variance is 16. Right? And now we have to calculate further. Again, then use some other relations. Mu3. Why mu3? You have to calculate beta 1 and beta 2. These are the two values. Variance is also calculated. Mean calculated, variance calculated. Now, beta 1 and beta 2. You have to calculate beta 1 and beta 2. So, to calculate beta 1, we have to calculate mu2 and mu3. We should know mu2, mu3. And for beta 2, you have to calculate mu3, mu4 and mu2. So, therefore, you have to calculate mu2, mu3, mu4. Mu2 was calculated. Now, mu3 and mu4 also to be calculated. Then, we can calculate beta 1 and beta 2. So, therefore, I am starting the calculation of mu3 and by using the interrelations. Mu3 is equal to mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube, right? So, this is what the relation. So, just you substitute the values here. What are the values? Mu3 dash is 40 minus 3 into 3 multiplied by mu2 dash is 20 multiplied by mu1 dash is 2 plus 2 into mu1 dash is 2 cube. So, the final value, the value of this, it is if you calculate this, you will get minus 64, right? That is mu3. Now, we calculate mu4. Now, I calculate mu4. Mu4, the formula mu4 is equal to the relation. I am using central in terms of non-central moments. Mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square and minus 3 mu1 dash power 4. This is what the relation. Again you substitute all the values. What is mu4 dash? What is mu4 dash? It is 50. Minus 4 into what is mu3 dash? It is 40. What is mu1 dash? It is 2. Plus 6 into mu2 dash, it is 20. Multiplied by mu1 dash, it is 2 square. Minus 3 into mu1 dash, 2 power 4. The value you calculate with the calculator, you will get the value is 162. Do you understand this? After calculating this, you will get the value is mu4 is 162. And mu3 we have calculated mu2. You see, this is mu2 and this is mu3 and this is mu4. This is what? Mu4. Now you have to calculate beta 1 and beta 2. So beta 1 is equal to, now I am calculating beta 1. Clear? Beta 1 is equal to the formula mu3 square by mu2 cube is equivalent to B. So then it is going to be calculated, and mu3 squared, the mu3 is minus 64 the whole square divided by mu2 cube. Mu2 is 16 whole cube, we got 16. So therefore it is 1. Directly we can say 64 whole square. This is 8 square. This is 8 into 2 cube, 8. Okay, fine. So therefore then you calculate with the calculator. It's no problem. And then beta 2. Beta 2 is the formula mu4 by mu2 square. Mu4 by mu2 square. What is mu4? The mu4 value is 162. What is mu2? It is 16 square. So the value is it is around, you calculate with the calculator, or I am writing the value at the end, the value 0.6328. This is what the value of beta 2. Hope you understand. This is the way you have to calculate. You have to calculate the moments beta 1, beta 2. So I again just refresh the problem. You see, this is what the problem. First 4 moments of about the value 5 are given, which are given 2, 20, 40, 50, which means A is equal to 5, mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash, mu4 dash, which are given here. With the help of that, you have to calculate mean, variance, beta 1 and beta 2. So the mean is going to be calculated with the help of the formula mu1 dash plus A, and variance is calculated with the interrelationship between the central and non-central moments. Mu2 is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash whole square. And then mu3 and mu4 are to be calculated, and for the calculation of beta 1 and beta 2. So therefore now I have calculated mu3 and mu4, and then I have calculated the values of beta 1 and beta 2 with the help of mu2, mu3, mu4. So this is what the calculation of this particular problem. Hope you understand. Thank you.